Did you know you can use mobile network on your Samsung S21 without inserting a physical SIM card? Yes, with eSIM. In this video,
I'll show you step by step how to activate eSIM on Samsung S21 easily.
Before activating eSIM, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, your carrier eSIM QR code, Samsung Galaxy S21 updated software.
First, go to Settings. Then tap on Connections. Now select SIM Card Manager.
Here, tap on Add Mobile Plan. Then select Scan Carrier QR Code. Now scan the QR code provided by your network provider, Holafly eSIM.
Your phone will now download the eSIM profile. This may take a few seconds tutters, just wait.
Once downloaded, tap Activate, turn on the eSIM line, and set it as your default for calls, SMS, and mobile data. Now check the signal bars. If you see network signal, your eSIM is successfully activated.
And that's it. Your Samsung S21 is now running on eSIM. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more SIM and network tutorials.